everyone, welcome back to Bake Sip Chat. I'm Carolyn.
I'm Kim.
And what are we gonna make today?
Today we are making something special because it involves sprinkles.
We like sprinkles.
We are making Oreo Truffles.
Ooh, very nice.
And very easy.
Oh, I like easy.
2 ingredients.
Oh, it does not get easier than that. Well, 2 truffle ingredients. There's more to come.
Yes, more to come.
We're not that simple.
Okay. We're gonna add 1 bag of Oreo cookies
Into the food processor.
into the food processor. One bag.
1 bag Oreos
Oreo
going
cookies.
in the food processor.
Going in.
Everybody in. I'm here for support.
Make it even.
Don't hit me. You take that?
Thank you.
Thanks.
Get in there, Oreo cookies. Okay.
All right, and then you just put the cream cheese on top.
Yep.
All right.
I like to cube my cream cheese. Just
Softened.
break it up. Yep.
Made it
Softened.
soft.
Room temperature.
Room temperature. So much easier to work with. All right.
What is going on? Lock it.
Lock it up.
Maybe.
Get it
Come on.
Come on, Ninja.
There we
That
go.
lid on. We did that. Okay, so what do we do first?
Okay. First, we're gonna blend it.
Blend it.
Go ahead, Carolyn. Oh wait, first we should turn it on.
Power is great. It helps with
Power's
all the
on.
things. All right.
All right. Blend away.
That
now-
is powerful.
Now we're gonna
stir.
scrape the sides a bit here. Just get all this cream cheese in there.
Join the party. I
Yeah.
want everybody to
Don't be late to the
mixy.
party. Come on. Oh my gosh. This smells so good.
Look at that lid on with
Okay,
authority.
now we're gonna pulse it.
And we're gonna, oh, just little?
Yeah,
Okay.
pulses here and there. Because you want that cream cheese to make sure it's all blended in.
Is it getting
And
it?
it's looking mighty fine. I think we're good.
Are we done?
We're done.
We did it?
We did it.
Oh my gosh, that was simple.
Now we're gonna just spoon it into little balls on a cookie sheet. We're just gonna put our mixture here in a bowl. It's easier to scoop out, I think, than the food processor.
So now we're gonna roll them into balls?
Yep.
All right.
We're gonna
So
just-
about a teaspoon?
A teaspoon.
Teaspoon?
Get a teaspoon on your spoon.
Teaspoon on my spoon.
And this is gonna be messy
Oh
again.
my.
You know, we tend to make a lot of stuff that's messy.
Baking is a messy sport.
Look at this. Just roll it into a ball.
But if there's no mess,
We like a
then
lot.
there's no fun. Mushy, mushy, mixy, mixy.
At least we make stuff that's messy that tastes good. Right?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a cookie chunk in that one.
I threw mine
That's
in the bowl.
awesome.
A chookie? What's a chookie?
A cookie.
Cookie? Here.
Oh, look at
Hey,
you.
woman.
Good job. Okay, we're done.
And I beat you.
Oh, ouch. That hurts.
I beat you.
Okay, there we go. Get over there, ball.
Touching my balls. So we got them all done. And now we put these in the freezer for how long?
About an hour or 2, just till they get firm enough to dip.
So now we're going to melt the chocolate chips.
Yep,
Okay. We have these that are ready to go. They're out of the freezer. They're nice and cold.
yep.
They're waiting for us.
So now we're just gonna add our 2 tablespoons of oil into the bag of white chocolate chips.
Ooh, generous.
Pretty great.
Is it a tablespoon?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons.
Yep, 2
All right.
tablespoons. And then we're just gonna give it a stir. Stir that up so they're all evenly coated with some oil. And then going in the microwave for 30-second increments. Got it. 30 seconds. Oh my gosh.
Smooth and creamy.
Smooth and creamy.
So now we're going to dip them, tap them, and then we're going to put sprinkles on them once we get them on there to dry.
Yes, we're gonna dip
It
first.
dries really fast, so as soon as you get them on there, you want to hit them with some sprinkles.
Yes, going in.
Going in.
Coat these balls.
Get it, Karen.
You could lose them.
You could.
You can lose them in there. Okay, your turn. So I like to sprinkle as soon as I
soon as they come out.
Sprinkle.
Going in. This is not for the faint of heart if you have trouble with messes. This is gonna be a tough one for you. This is hard for Kim.
It is a little hard with my OCD. But it's worth it in the end because, hello.
They taste so good.
Oreo truffle ball with sprinkles. Oh my God.
Heck yes. Yep.
Going in. Oh, I can't wait for you. You're too slow.
Get out of the, oh! Remember when
Just
I said
kidding.
we're not picking on me?
Get off there, big chunk. Okay,
They
look
look
at
so
this,
good.
the final product after dipped and sprinkled.
That looks amazing.
Doesn't that look awesome?
That looks so
You guys, these are amazing.
They're so cute. I'm gonna have one. You're gonna have one.
Yep,
We're gonna cheers
we're gonna try it.
to truffle balls.
We have to try it.
Well, yeah.
And we have a glass of milk already in hand.
Chocolate chip cookie. Chocolate chip cookies?
Carolyn, another episode.
There's some chocolate truffle cookies.
Truffles! Oreo truffles.
Perfect. Here we go. Let's
Okay.
give it a try.
Mm.
Come on.
Oh, I'm happy.
I'm a whole.
Listen to the sprinkles.
They're good though. Thank you for joining us today. We had so much fun. We hope you make them very soon. They're so good. Any kind of sprinkles, delicious. Also, if you enjoyed our video today, please like and subscribe. We want to see more of you. If you have any comments, leave them below. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
You threw me off there.
What? You touched me.
Oh my God. Carolyn, put some.
I'll throw it out. Maybe it's mad that you beat the cookies. She's gonna get it.